Urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, and Tuscarawas. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for southern Carroll County in east central Ohio, northern Harrison County in east central Ohio, eastern Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing tornadoes for a long line extending from Charlottesville to 5 miles southwest of Charlottesville to 13 miles southwest of Bowerston and removing southeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Charlottesville, Leesville Lake Park, Bowerston, CO, Kilgore. The forecast for